No one tells you this, but your brain and eyes don't actually age during the day. They age at night, because while you sleep, your body is supposed to repair itself, to rebuild the tiny cells in your memory, refresh your vision, and restore your focus for the next day. But for most people over 60, that repair never happens. Why? Because your body is missing the very nutrients it needs to do the job. So you wake up with blurry vision, foggy thoughts, and that slow, heavy feeling that stays with you all morning. And everyone says that's just part of getting older, but it's not. It's a quiet form of nutrient starvation that modern science is only now starting to understand. The good news? You can change it. You can help your body repair again, naturally, while you sleep, and all it takes is what you pour into your glass. Today I'll show you 4 powerful juices, simple, natural blends that recharge your brain and vision overnight. No pills, no chemicals, just food, working in harmony with your body's own repair system. So stay until the end, because I'll also share a one-day plan, how to drink each juice at the perfect time for maximum repair. This is Markus Dexter, and welcome to Healthy Seniors Corner, where we help you stay sharp, active, and full of life at any age. If you ask me which juice seniors overlook the most, it's carrot juice, and it shouldn't be. Carrot juice is one of the only natural drinks that directly feeds both your eyes and your brain. It's rich in beta-carotene, which your body turns into vitamin A, essential for your retina, especially the photoreceptor cells that let you see in low light. Without enough vitamin A, these cells weaken, causing blurry or dry eyes, and even night blindness. But there's more. Carrot juice contains lutein and zeaxanthin, powerful carotenoids that protect your macula, the part of your eye responsible for sharp central vision. They don't just stop further damage. They help the eye recover from oxidative stress, especially after years of screen exposure or sunlight, and for your brain. Carrot juice delivers falcarinol, a rare natural compound proven to protect brain cells and reduce inflammation. In studies, older adults who drank 250 milliliters of carrot juice every morning for 8 weeks improved memory and focus by up to 13%. That's the difference between forgetting a name and remembering it instantly. Here's the key. Carrot juice is fat-soluble. That means your body absorbs its nutrients best when you pair it with healthy fats, like a few walnuts, a spoon of olive oil, or half an avocado. So, drink it fresh in the morning, right after breakfast, and give your eyes and brain the jump start they deserve. Next, the deep red powerhouse, beet juice. Most people don't connect poor circulation with fading memory or blurry eyes. But without healthy blood flow, your brain and retina are starved of oxygen, their most essential fuel. Beets are rich in nitrates, which your body turns into nitric oxide, a molecule that widens your blood vessels and improves circulation. When this happens, more oxygen-rich blood reaches your brain and eyes, helping them repair faster, especially at night. In one study, adults over 60 who drank beet juice daily showed improved blood flow to the frontal lobe, the area responsible for focus, memory, and decision-making. After just 4 weeks, their reaction times and concentration significantly improved. And what makes beet juice unique is speed. Unlike fat-soluble nutrients, nitric oxide production starts within 30 minutes of drinking. That means a single afternoon glass can clear mental fog and sharpen your focus before the evening. To make it, use 1 medium beet and half an orange or apple for taste. Drink it between 2 and 4 p.m., when energy drops and circulation slows. If you can, take a short walk afterward. It'll amplify the effects beautifully. Now, let's move to a dark purple treasure, blueberry juice. Blueberries are rich in anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that not only protect brain cells, but actually stimulate the creation of new ones. Yes, even after 60, your brain can grow new neurons. A study in 2020 showed that seniors who consumed blueberry juice for 12 weeks improved memory recall and mental speed, and MRI scans revealed increased brain activity. Why? Because anthocyanins can cross the blood-brain barrier and boost BDNF, a protein that helps brain cells connect and stay alive. For your eyes, These same compounds protect the delicate nerve fibers that send visual signals to your brain, preserving sharpness and reducing fatigue. One of my patients, Helen, age 74, used to complain that reading made her dizzy. She began drinking blueberry juice each evening. Within weeks, she noticed the words on the page stayed crisp, and so did her thoughts. To make it, blend 1 cup of fresh or frozen blueberries with a little water or half a banana. Drink it about 90 minutes before bed. That's when your brain starts its nightly repair cycle. Let your body rebuild as you rest. Finally, let's talk about spinach juice, the quiet green miracle. Spinach is packed with lutein, zeaxanthin, vitamin K, and folate, all crucial for both brain chemistry and vision. Lutein and zeaxanthin are stored in the macula, protecting it from light damage and oxidative stress. Without them, the world literally becomes dimmer. Folate, on the other hand, is vital for neurotransmitters, dopamine and serotonin, that keep your mind sharp and your mood steady. Low folate is strongly linked to cognitive decline, but when seniors restore it through leafy greens, memory, focus, and even mood improve noticeably. Spinach also provides vitamin K, which supports the myelin sheath, the protective layer around your neurons that keeps your brain's signals fast and clear. To make it, juice a handful of fresh spinach with half an apple or cucumber to balance the flavor. Drink it mid-morning or before lunch when your body absorbs it best. Just 1 small glass can brighten your thoughts and vision in a surprisingly short time. Now you know the 4 juices: carrot, beet, blueberry, and spinach. Each one supports a different system, but together they form a powerful, natural plan for restoring your eyes and brain. Here's how to do it. Morning, carrot juice for retinal focus. Mid-morning, spinach juice for brain chemistry. Afternoon, beet juice for circulation and oxygen. Evening, blueberry juice for overnight repair. You don't need to drink all 4 every day. Rotate them or pick 2 you love. What matters is consistency, not perfection. Because healing doesn't happen in a single night. It happens quietly, gradually, when you give your body what it's been missing for years. Even 1 glass a day can restart that forgotten repair system inside you. And remember, your brain and your vision haven't given up on you. They're just waiting for you to feed them right. So if this message inspired you, tap the like button, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe for more gentle, science-backed ways to stay strong after 60. This is Markus Dexter, and from all of us at Healthy Seniors Corner, stay sharp, stay curious, and stay well.